Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. It's a bit of a rainy day. I was hoping to do this outside, but I really don't want it rained on while I'm trying to wipe it down. The rat doesn't get shiny, but that doesn't mean it has to be dirty. It's my last day to work on it before the show on Saturday. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna try and get the hood on. I've got a bucket of water over there. We're gonna try and give it a little bit of wipe down just to make it a little bit more presentable for the show on Saturday. Here we go. Ta-da! Hood. Now I'm not sponsored by these guys, but these are a few of the things I like to use on the rat. A lot of people use them on really shiny cars, so it kind of works on mine too. Yellow bottle. And then the blue spray bottle. If you're remotely close to Springfield, Missouri, I get mine from Pride Auto Detailing. I know the guys, they are super awesome, always helpful, super nice, and I've lost my rags. Where are my rags? What I like to use, this stuff, it doesn't take very much. Got a bucket of hot water. I think you're only supposed to put in like a cap or two. I'm gonna go ahead and put in 2. It even smells clean. But you've got your bucket of warm water. Go through and give that a little bit of a mix. But with this stuff, you got your little bit of warm. Doesn't take a whole lot. And you just kind of sit there and give it a decent wipe down. You're not trying to go through and, wash tons of mud off your car with it. But it does a pretty good job of getting rid of most of the schmutz that you'll end up with on your car. This is not a how-to video, by the way. If you go talk to the guys, they'll probably tell me or say that I'm doing it all wrong. But this is how I do it. Start at the top, give it a quick wipe down, grab a second rag, and then just go through and kind of wipe off anything that got left behind. Gives it a little bit of a light polish once you're done. And then you just go back and forth like that. We'll go ahead and hit the, I don't want to do the glass with this thing. We'll go ahead and hit the pillars and then work our way down the hood. And I don't need to tell you when you're washing your car to start at the top and work your way down. I think everybody knows that by now. Now we'll go ahead and do a front fender, overlapping onto the door just a little bit. The good thing about a little car, not a whole lot to clean. Well, it doesn't take all that long to get it wiped down. Just one more fender to go. I'm sure this is highly riveting YouTube content. You guys are just loving watching me wipe down my car. This might just end up being the video of the century. All right, now that the car's had a quick wipe down, we can go through and give it its light coat of shiny. All right, so we're not doing windows, chrome, headlights, none of that stuff. I prefer to use a glass cleaner for anything chrome, shiny, and glass. We do need to, and they recommend that you spray it on the rag, not directly on the car. That I have found, especially on old car, it ends up looking a whole lot better if you kind of spritz the car at least the first few times, and it makes cleaning a lot easier in the future. This stuff kind of helps repel. It's got different chemical-y things in it. I'm not sure what they're called. Highly technical stuff. But if you spray it on, wipe it off kind of deal. And I think it makes the rat look a little better. Once your rag starts to get soaked, especially down the tinier bits, because you don't want to get this stuff all over your glass. On the little areas, definitely don't just shoot the car. I don't know that it would hurt the glass, but I'm pretty sure you don't want to get this on there. And you probably can't tell in the video, but it is making it somewhat shiny, which is kind of counterproductive. This is the rat. It's not supposed to be shiny. I believe this stuff has it's like a ceramic coating. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, don't spray it in your mouth. Don't drink it. It's really making this red shiny, which is impressive. And that's it. I clean the windows, wheels, and chrome once I get down to the show. That's all I've got for today. Hopefully you guys were at least semi-entertained by me wiping down the car. getting it ready for, again, Ozark Euro Rally. It's this Saturday, Eureka Springs. It is going to be an awesome show. Hopefully I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.